Welcome, tea enthusiasts, to today's special video. Are you looking to create a soothing and flavorful cup of tea that's both easy to make and packed with health benefits? Then you're in the right place. In this ultimate guide, we'll walk you through the process of making ginger tea with honey at home. Whether you're a seasoned tea connoisseur or just starting out, this guide has something for everyone. So, grab your favorite mug and let's get started. First, let's take a look at what you'll need. The ingredients are simple. Fresh ginger root, your favorite type of honey, water, and optional additions like lemon or other spices to suit your taste. As for the tools, you'll need a sharp knife or grater for the ginger, a pot or kettle, and a strainer. That's it. Now, let's dive into the process. Start by peeling and slicing or grating the ginger root. Use about a 1-inch piece for a single cup of tea. Next, bring the water to a boil, then add the ginger, letting it simmer for 10–15 minutes. This allows the ginger to release its flavors into the water. After simmering, strain the ginger pieces out and pour the hot ginger infusion into your mug. Now, stir in a spoonful of honey, adding more or less to taste. If you like, you can also add a splash of lemon juice or sprinkle some cinnamon on top. And there you have it, a perfect cup of ginger tea with honey. Thank you for joining me in this ultimate guide on how to make ginger tea with honey at home. I hope you enjoy this warm and comforting beverage as much as I do. It's perfect for a cozy evening or as a natural remedy during cold and flu season. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tea recipes and tips. Until next time, happy tea making.